Maxine, you're so right. And I myself have played the victim for a few years after I was so depressed, and I thought I would never get out of there. And as Henry Ford said, whether you believe something or you don't, you're right. And right fighting is another issue that I have a big issue with and that we want to address in further. So there's a lot of interesting topics that I think we both can contribute to other people learning from our life experience. Now, let's go on and help people to understand how you can learn to treat yourself in the best ways possible. And please understand that it's just the beginning. It is a process. Be gentle with yourself. I always say to my clients when they're mean to themselves and expect that they're perfect the first time they try something new. Imagine you're a mom and you have a little child that's learning to walk. And that child gets up, tries to walk, and falls on its bum. What do you tell the child? You miserable bastard, you'll never learn to walk. You're not able to walk. I see that right away. Don't even try it again. You'll never walk. You think that child would ever learn to walk if you treat it that way?
Yeah.
I don't think so. But we say similar things to ourselves over and over.
Yeah.
When we try something new, like even something study in university, we have an assignment. And the first attempt is not what we really want to do. And we really want it to be perfect. So what do? We don't finish. We procrastinate. It's not good enough. We can't walk perfectly yet, but we expect us to walk upright and straight and fully coordinated the first time we try. That's quite unfair, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's ways to overcome that, believe me.